how to buy crypto in Binance with credit card. Now, first of all, open the Binance app and make sure to log into your account. Now, after that, what you need to do, just tap on assets. And as you can see, tap on the funding from the top bar and tap on P2P. Now, after that, what you need to do, as you can see here, select the crypto. To select the crypto that you want to buy on Binance, it's by clicking on USDT from here, and now search for your crypto that you want to buy. So after you select your crypto, select the amount that you want to use. You can set it from here automatically, or you can type it as you can see here. So after that, tap on confirm, and as you can see, I'll just click continue, and I'll select your payment that you want to buy with. For example, if you use the BBV bank or any credit card that you use, as you can see from here. And after that, I will just edit the amount. As you can see, now tap on confirm. Now, after you select the payment method, what you need to do, just select one of this provider and click on buy here, as you can see. And after that, follow this instruction to be able to complete the buy process, as you can see here. So this is how to buy crypto in Binance with credit card. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.